Hello fellow coding pirates, and welcome back to another tutorial in this series. In the last tutorial we installed Enfold on our WordPress site, and basically we're at this point now where we have a default homepage in place, and we now have to get rid of the defaults and start building our own website. So the first thing we need to do is to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to change some of the Enfold defaults. So go to Enfold, and you'll be taken to this screen. So basically we'll upload our logo here later when we have one, and the fav icon as well. The fav icon is the little icon that goes in the top here. Right now we don't have one, so it's like a blank page. If you look on websites such as Google, you see there, fav icon is the little Google icon. So we'll add this to our site. It's just a little touch that makes our website look a little bit more professional. And we'll leave these settings here the same for now. So let's go through each of these separate. Okay, so they can stay the same, but basically with Enfold you can change some of the settings so the website looks different. So you could have a box layout, a fixed frame, or stretch layout. We'll go for the stretch layout, so basically the entire width of the website is kept the same. So let's go to the general styling, and as you can see here, everything is this green text, which doesn't look great at the moment. So let's go through this and change it one by one. So our primary color is going to be the colors for links and stuff like that. So let's change that to a dark gray color, so it's trouble free. Copy that because we'll use this color for quite a lot of the settings. So the logo area font can be the same color, and the logo area heading color, we'll keep that the same. So that's a very dark, slightly lighter than our dark gray. So alternative background color, this changes this to white, and the color for white is 6Fs. And the highlight color, then we want a sort of yellowy color, yellowy goldy bronzy color. So it's CCAD81. And the secondary font color, that can be the dark gray again. Okay, and the border colors we'll change. We'll keep that the same. We don't want a background image. And this quick CSS here, we will revisit this later, and we'll add in a little bit of code. You won't have to type it, I'll provide it for you, so we can style our website a little bit more than what Enfold allows us to do. So save those changes down here, save all changes. Be sure not to hit this reset all options button, because I nearly did it a few times when practicing this video tutorial series. So next, that was just for the logo area. Let's go ahead to the main content area. Okay, so once again we have these not so very nice green colors, so let's replace those with these following colors. Background color again is the white, so we need 6Fs. Highlight color is the goldy bronzy color. Oh, sorry. Main content secondary color, we want the free. And border color once again can stay the same. Save these. And alternate content, once again we need to change these values. This is a bit of a pest, guys, I know that, but once we're through with the mundane stuff, we can really then concentrate on creating our website the way we want it to look. And we'll get into the more fun parts of building a website, but this doesn't take too long. So Once again, let's put the bronzy goldy color in, CC AD 81 here, and border colors, they can stay the same. So once again, save the changes, and now let's make some changes to the footer. So the footer background color, we want like a dark gray color, so 22222. So you can see this is changing up here. If we went for a different color, see, it would be pink or purple, wherever that is. So let's put it back to 22222. And primary color, then we want it to stand out, so let's try a 7A 7A 7A. So that's like a lighter gray, so you can see that he's a light gray here. And we'll do the same for the font color, 7A 7A 7A. So that's gray. Footer heading color, let's do the 222222. No, sorry, that was wrong. 7A 7A 7A. So yes, that's right. Alternate background color, this can be 222222. Highlight color, this is our goldy bronzy color, or slightly different, maybe 9951. This is a little bit darker, I believe. And secondary font color, set this as white. Border colors can stay the same. Once again, go to save. If we look here, that's what it'll look like. And the socket, this is something slightly below the footer. So if we look at our website, actually we won't look at it yet because I'd rather you see the entire thing entirely. So this is the footer section, and below the footer section we have a socket. Right now it's got a white background with the green text, so let's change that. Footer background color, free. Primary color, we want the links white and the text white, sorry. Okay, socket heading color. Sorry, I've clicked on the wrong thing, guys. Ignore those changes. Go to the socket, sorry. Socket background color. Wait, let me go to the footer because I think I may have changed the wrong things here. So free. 222222. Then we have 7A. Footer. Okay, that's right. I'll go to the socket. My apologies, guys. I took you round a roundabout in the wrong way. So default background color, free. Yeah, that's what we wanted to do. I was wondering what was going on. The primary color is white, so F 6 times. Socket font color, we'll do white again, 456. And socket heading color to do, I don't think that matters, but let's change this anyway because I don't think we'll have headings in the socket. Alternate background color, let's set that as the same as the socket background color. So free. Highlight color, BD 9551. Socket secondary font color, 123456. And if you're getting bored, guys, this is we're nearly there. So change this border color to the dark gray, because as you can see right now there's a gap between them. When you click on that, the gap goes. So the body background, I don't think we need to change. Nope. And the fonts, we can change the fonts here, but we'll leave them as default for now. Right, so what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, save all changes, and that's it for that section. Advanced styling, I don't think we need to do anything here. Main menu, let's have a look. That's fine. Get rid of this, append search icon to the main menu, we don't need that. That's okay for that section, so save that. Alright, let's go to the header here. Okay. So with Enfold, once again, you can change the way the logo and the navigation displays. So for this, we will use the logo on the left, the menu on the right, the header slice slim, header style. Let's have a look at this. We don't want any borders or transparency, so we'll go for minimal. And header, title and breadcrumbs, we'll hide these. Okay, save the changes again. Okay, so the header behavior, we want it to stick on scroll, and we don't want a shrinking header. So I'll save that and go to extra elements. I can't remember what's on this option, but I don't think. Right, okay, yes. So if you have social media accounts, this is a great place, so you can add them into the header section of the website. So we can display in many different places. For this one, we're going to display in the top bar on the right hand side, and we're also going to display our phone number, and we'll display this once again at the top, and we'll put this on the right again. And we don't want a secondary menu, but we can add in our phone number here. So add your business phone number in here. I'll just add a fake one, 0123, and then we can go 456 789 and go to save all changes. Okay, sidebar settings, let's have a look. What do we need to change on here? And right. Okay, that's fine for now. Footer, let's have a look at the footer. Okay, so on the footer, we can change the amount of columns which are used, but 4 is fine for us. We can put in a copyright notice here. So if you press the, I think it's the arrow key, the shift key maybe, on Mac, and the number 2, you'll get the @ sign. That is not what we wanted. Copy this here, Command C. So we have the copyright symbol, and we can say copyright, and then your business name. Your business, or we can say 2018, and we can display the social media icons in the footer if you want to. With this design, that's not what we'll be doing, so save all changes. Okay, layout builder we don't need to look at, blog layout we don't need to look at. Social profiles is a good one to click on, guys. So click on social profile. Here you can put in whatever social media accounts you use. For us, we'll try Twitter, and let's do YouTube, seeing as we have a YouTube account. With you, it could be different. So right now, this links to the theme developer's own Twitter. So let's put in our own. Just twitter.com coding_pirate. And if you don't follow us on Twitter, guys, make sure you do now. And also our YouTube, well, there's a massive URL, so we'll just put youtube.com in for now. But they would look something like channel and then whatever. And we'll just do youtube.com. And click all, save all changes. Okay, newsletter. We can set this up to the newsletter for MailChimp later on. We could add Google Maps if we wanted to. This doesn't call for it. And yes, I think that's it for the standard default controls. So let's go back to our website and let's see if it looks any different. I remember before it was very green, so hopefully it's not green anymore. And yes, that looks much better. So we have the logo on the left, the navigation on the right. We have a phone number up here with our social media accounts. You may have more, you may have less, you might not have any of it. And we currently have a sidebar on your right hand side. So we're in a good place. We've just got rid of all the defaults, and now we can go and create our homepage. So let's do that. So go to pages. And you see we have 2 pages here. We have a sample page, so let's click on that and move to the trash. And click apply. Yours might say move to bin, or if you have another language selected, obviously it'll be in your own language. So click on the home page, and the advanced layout editor isn't shown at the moment, so click on that and then you will see something that looks like this. So, but before we get into this, let's change a few settings. So let's keep default template as it is, and let's go where it says the section layout. So what we do here, we have a sidebar on our website right now. That's something we don't want, so let's get rid of that. Sidebar settings, no sidebar. Footer settings, we can keep this as the default. Title bar settings, let's change that to hide both. And no transparency is fine. Let's update this. And if we go to view page now, we're now left with something that looks like this. So we can see we have a header, we have a footer with the socket here. So it doesn't look great yet, but the defaults are out and we have some of our own information in here. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to start adding elements so we can build the site up by using the layout elements in here, and we can add some cool effects through animations. We can add our own text in, our imagery, and we'll start making this website to look more like the demo site that I showed you a few tutorials ago. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and when I publish more videos, you'll be able to carry on with this series. And once again, guys, if you don't understand anything, please leave a comment below. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.